Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Snag, are you a driver? Are you a driver and me like that?
Running at that right man, at the right time, because the people don't want ball. I don't worry, I'm not afraid. They want to wait, someone say, the new virus are coming now.
Yeah.
We are released anytime. Because all the problem, most of them are afraid over Trump.
Yeah.
Everybody afraid of Donald Trump and Trump now do no more than be waiting for those real self. I want to be real.
Sure.
And know yourself.
I know, I'm a spot this, you know, eyebrow spice.
Themself who there?
Yeah, straight ital. I in them I go.
Come buy me a lunch, come.
I in them. Yeah.
Talk to me also.
Yes.
Yeah. It's not a post herbal man. I'm telling you something about the world change and we don't want to wake up and live. We not beg on no. We don't have to wake up and live. But it's that time.
Yeah.
And this is why I'm come running a kino now. Right at the eyebrow spice.
Eyebrow spice.
Eyebrow spice. And he has some eating food and
yeah.
he might come treat me to a meal or so now. And when I tell you globally now, you see now there is a new virus going around which is I'm going to take over the whole place because the real thing to the body now, the body have a thing named paradigm shift. And there are certain time of the year or inner centuries where a paradigm shift take place. Now a paradigm shift take place because Earth is kind of nice and cool, but mankind is wicked. When we say mankind is wicked, wickedness is going. So Earth have to clean up itself. When we say Earth have to take charge now and clean up itself. So if you're not clean, you will get flushed out. And if you don't know nature and God and the whole concept of where you exist and where you go, you will get flushed out. So it's time to wake up. That's why when the herbal man come, everyone say, I'm just not going to put some comment about herbal and eat this and eat that. Well, we now beg you to take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself because I know you alone live in another body there. And you are not God Almighty, the Spirit, the soul, and your life that I talk to you night and day, your best friend. Me can't heal you. God heal you and yourself and your spirit. So right now, as me telling you say, talk to the herbal man. Reason with the herbal man. Come make it heal the body, clean the body. So as me say, come lead the way. Yeah. Lead the way, lead the way.
Well guys, you know, imagine I'm driving down the road. Well, first of all, welcome to Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, you think, well. Imagine I'm driving, yeah, coming towards Ibos Spice. This vehicle pulling out in front of me. When you look,
It's like a
It's
pussy
snag,
man. And everybody always I say, well, somebody something we see again,
Kino.
Kino for drink and we for eat. Alright. We have the mineral now where we use and it called the red dirt, which them call this. Them call it the mineral dirt, which it all mineral because every mineral that you know where it come from, the earth. And the earth is the Lord and the what? Fullness thereof. And everything where you know make out of the earth. Everything make from the earth. The car, the tire, the this, the that. So
Everything.
I get keen of eat, see me, I eat it and we are drink it. And see we are strong, powerful. And the other day now, me that wait for a machine where we come to Amazon, where we seal back the package them and I just get it. I just keep at the machine because I set some things and them pull out and them not reach it and some people get them things and them now make me know so them get it. So I'm telling you something now. Always people say Scammer don't build people. Scammer kill people and tear them down. See a man will build you, can't be a scammer. Because my duty is to educate you, uplift you, and teach you about your health and nutrition and how you live life. How you hear me talk? So, and that's the way they so. Them say good thing come to those who wait. Who wait. So all the people, them, most of them were, them stuff just start sending off, you know, because I get the machine. Me get the machine and my apology again for who never get them things on time. But I saw it go. But we there and we say life and the new virus that come now, we won't have to go get a new set of vaccine. Me there for help you, uplift the body, clean the body and flush the body. So remember 8848176, that's the digit. I'm legit. Again 876-8848-176. I'm legit. And everybody always asks me for scanner. And say, Mr. when Kino, I carry go look over scanner. And scanner alive and scanner is well and scanner is happy now. And we have a new video when I shoot with scanner. You ever see me send it because the scanner say, big up the world because them ask you.
Yeah. Alright guys, so anything else, so I'm stuck with Ibos Spice.
Ibos Spice.
You know, there's a thing we've called. They know I have to come and visit Ibos Spice. So I'm on my way to church now, but I need to get my food first. See there? 131 Orange Street. Ibos Spice. And everything is nice. Cheer. Whenever you eat something, you must feel something. Eat food with life. You stay alive. Eat dead food, you're dead. This is why I eat this type of food, you know what I mean? Blessed. Healthy food. It's not a pussy come try the breadfruit burger. At the breadfruit burger, I'm gonna make a try. Anything, any fruit, any breadfruit, that real bread. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, you know what people are asking you?
Yeah.
The amount of people been asking for you, son.
Yeah,
but we having jackfruit.
Okay.
I'm speaking the truth.
Speaking the truth.
I don't know what's the youth for rebel salute.
Oh, we have snagger puss in the building.
Excited to see you.
We have the urban man in the building.
Message, I see it,
Yes.
This is the life ground now. We are talking about nature, fullness of nature now. Food, energy, and this is Snagapus, aka the Herbal Man.
Yeah.
And we say what? Eyebrow spice. Eyebrow spice.
Yeah.
Eyebrow spice. So we have to, anything about eyebrow, which is eye.
Yeah.
And I and I and I. So because the eye represent as one.
Yeah.
So we are one when we talk about eyebrow, spice. Spice mean the sweetness of life.
Yeah.
And see the place you know. You look at it. All sweetness.
Sweet jackfruit.
Yeah.
The man I have the fruits and the jackfruit.
The jackfruit we have in it. Are you alone and eat out the whole
Yeah,
jackfruit?
man, we're going to make some juice.
Okay.
So we have been soursop, mango, jackfruit. See what I'm saying?
Okay, the jackfruit juice.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, the mango here. Pass there. So see there, the jackfruit juice.
Yeah, man. And we don't waste nothing because we already use all the seed them. Boil them and eat them and all them things.
Parch them, right?
But, yeah, man. Boil them, cook them, little thing.
Everything from that.
Yeah. Let me try one of the
Boil
jackfruit.
a bit.
The skin.
Let me try one now.
Oh, yeah, man. Alright, me too. Alright, you want to take it? Yeah, man, don't take it. You want to take it.
Alright. It's a sweet jackfruit. I was talking the truth.
Yeah, speak the truth. I'm saying eat fruit and speak the truth.
And the mango and the beetroot, make them stay true. Give me way, make me breeze too.
Breeze too.
Well, this is the herbal man. Yeah, this is the
Herbal man.
Where's the fan? With the
This
music.
is the herbal man.
Oh, it's outside.
It's outside there.
Herbal
hear the
man
music.
to every boy, girl and man. You man will start the herbal man.
Yeah, artist.
No, I'm a musician. So.
Musician. Could never be too artist. Straight musician.
What kind of smoothies do you have?
We do have an ice today.
Supposed to stand.
No ice.
Yeah. You're supposed to turn snag a liar now. It's not no post no more.
No, we're growing all family.
Growing on for
We evolve. So we have grown with knowledge. And as we say, you see the place, look around.
It's all nature.
All nature.
All nature.
Yeah, the nectar. And the ways of this is the life of the original ancestors. But we don't eat nothing with foot and face. We don't eat nothing with flesh and blood. Because we're not entertaining parasite. When you eat food that give you flesh and blood, you are developing parasite. That's why so much people today have a high blood pressure, blood clot, circulation problem, because parasite living at them and a shit up in a them. And and I pollute them blood, and I keep the blood. I produce a thing called lipid, which is a thick substance, and that make the blood clot. So right now, Ibo spice. What I say? Ibo spice, and this is live.
This is life.
This is life. And it's one thing you can do, you know, is energize life. Because you have life, energize it. Keep that inner connection. Because everything come from inside. You want to know anything, go forward in yourself and question yourself. Talk with yourself. Because most people don't have a proper relationship with themselves. That's why when it say you lost your track, where you have to come do? Talk to the herbal man. Come reason with the herbal man. We come fit, clean the body, purge the body, flush the body and worm out the body. Let me tell you, worm out the body, because we don't eat flesh. And flesh produce worm. And worm produce germs. So the people that are out there eat our flesh, them now wake up and live now, man. Just wake up.
And live.
Wake up and live. Because when you live now, you can just get rid of the bad bacteria and support the good bacteria. Because I two bacteria in your body, you know, good and bad. But the good one want electrical cell food, fruits, vegetable, fruits, natural substance. The bad bacteria want the Kentucky, the Burger King, the McDonald's, all kind of food. And those food now, GMO, fertilizer, chemical food. So you know, say, the health is gonna be in trouble. So now, we are showing you, say, watch out. Talk to the herbal man. Come walk with the herbal man.
The herbal man.
Alright, see the mango. Watch the
Fruits.
mango.
Yeah,
Fruits.
that's what make a man go.
Electric, you know.
The mango, electrical selfie. That food, and the seed of the mango is good also. Because it produces a thing called B17 vitamin, which is called nitroside, that shrink any tumor, any seed, fight any cancer that exists. That mango that you see there is the seed inside of the mango seed. You have a thing in kernel, and that kernel kind of bitter, but what is bitter to the mouth?
Sweet to the belly.
Sweet to the belly. What is bitter to the mouth? Tell them again.
Sour to the belly.
So remember, it's all about life now. So right now we just are moving. Every time, so every time I buck up Kino, it's something we always we never set time for meeting away. Nature just bring us together.
Just like that.
Just like that, anniversary. So now we're there.
Ibo Spice.
Ibo Spice, and trust me, the first time I forward Panasenia. And and when we come, I'm in paradise. I'm in paradise. This is life.
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 I imagine I drive past now.
I drive, I nearly.
Yeah.
Accidentally.
Snagger pull out in front of me. It's like, you know what, me ease up. Let him go. When I realize that Snagger puss.
My brother.
And him pull up outside the right place.
Right
Spice.
place, me stop. Right in front of the spice. He said, stop right there, sir.
And then they say, they need to stop.
So, as we are telling about life is here to teach us.
Yes.
And you and the inner being exist. That you alone. You and the inner being exist. So, anytime you have any question, any problem, you want to know anything, you have to go back to the inner being. Inner being. So, that's why, alright, so why is the Kino looks healthy and strong? Because it's a man to keep up with life. Me, I feed him with the mineral and the nutrition, 102 mineral. And him carry me come a place now where me come find out spice and the whole paradise and the niceness. I'm saying, what brother? I teach you teaching me. So I go. This is life. This is life.
And it's a spice of life. Snagger. Alright guys, so we're waiting on the breadfruit burger. So Ibo is going to prepare it. Everything goes already. So Snagger's going to try the breadfruit burger for the first time.
And when I left again, I have to carry a box of food with me too. Me that say a thing all the while, So me say, you have 7 hero where them tell about of Jamaica. All of them. And the greatest one I respect all heroes. Marcus Garvey is one of my icon and everything, and my hero and everything, because he made me know about life. And he upgrade me and make me know about life. So we say other people born over the years upon years, and we only have 7 heroes. One to the other people. Bob Marley is my hero, national hero. Usain Bolt is my hero, national hero. Veronica Campbell.
Excuse me.
Shelly and Fraser.
Was it you playing the vinyl up by
and
Row?
Where?
Sherika Jackson, Elaine Thompson, Miss Lou. These are all my hero. And they are your hero because you must show them respect and love, because these people upgrade life and make people know that say, yes, them can do this and them can, and these people make the world know Jamaica. Just like how Marcus Garvey made the world know Jamaica. Bob Marley is my hero again. He made the world know Jamaica and what we can do and how we upgrade with life. So let's salute our national hero then.
Alright then.
Bob Marley, national hero. Usain Bolt, national hero. Veronica Campbell, national hero. Shelly and Fraser, national hero. So enough for ice cream. Enough for ice cream. Eyebrow spice. Eyebrow spice. This is life. Life. Yes. Thanks. High spec, you know. Push.
Snagger, I know it goes already. Yeah. Snagger. So, alright guys, so I got my burger and my herbal laid. So Snagger get his burger, so I'm gonna run it in Trenchtown now to go start out those barrels. So I got my burger, herbal laid and some pressed plantain. Yes, I'm good to go now. It was raining but it stops. Talk to the herbal man. So Snagger's gonna love his burger, trust me. So yes guys, at that time. So alright guys, so we're here in Trenchtown now. So I'm gonna start out these barrels, you know. So all the members are not here, so we're gonna start them out, put them one side, you know, start out who to get and what to get, you know, and we're gonna start the ball rolling from there, you know. So just stay tuned, we'll go and take them out for a second, you know. Just move that table. Here. Can leave the barrel in here so still. Because we'll spread out the chopper in first. Alright guys, so the barrels them is out, you know, so literally we're gonna just take them out now, take all the stuff them out, but you know, before we do that, we literally wanna thank our extended family, you know. We just wanna thank each and every one that played a part to pack these barrels, you know. So we have to give a huge thanks, you know, to, you know, Corey and also his wife, you know, and also his daughter as well. We wanna give a huge thanks to them also, you know, that helped with the barrel. And also we have to give a huge thanks to also our love, you know, and Nikki Touch of Beauty also, you know, Nikki Touch of Beauty. We also want to thank them so much, you know. We also have Nikki friend as well who donated $50 worth towards the barrel, you know. Also Nikki, she know herself to work at the hair salon also. And then now we have to give thanks to Angela, you know, as well, to blessings, and we thank to Angela, big up yourself. And also we have Sandra, you know, blessings to you, Sandra, as well too. You know, it's such a blessing, and we thank you so much, Sandra. You know, and also we have to also big up the restaurant, Cooler Runnings. You know, big up Cooler Runnings every time. You know, Cooler Runnings, we thank you so much as well too for the youth support that you guys, you know, put out for us. You know, and Wayne, big up yourself, Wayne. You know, cannot stop talking about you, Wayne. Big up yourself, you know, the thing that them said can't keep a good man down, you know. Big up yourself, you're out and about and you're there road now, you can't keep a good man down. So big up yourself. And we cannot forget the Kiwanis, you know, played a huge part, you know, to helping us clearing the barrel. So you know, we have to give a huge thanks to the Kiwanis team, and we have to pick up the Sunrise team. Because you know, the Sunrise team, Kiwanis team and the Dream team, you know, are the one team. You know, we come together, we make it work. Kiwanis, the Sunrise team and the Dream team, you know. So big up yourself, each and every one, you know. Corey Eats, you know, big up yourself, Corey Eats every time, you know. Nikki Touch of Beauty, our love, you know, that will stand for nothing but love. Roger, aka our love, nothing but love and love alone, you know. That's how we stand for, you know, is love and love alone, you know. You know, our blessings I will give that every time, you know. So Sandra, big up yourself. You know, big up yourself, Sandra, each and every time. So, yeah, man. So we have the chapel and spread out. So we're gonna make sure so we get everything organized and everything proper. Set the time is 3:49. You know, so all right, prefect, we can roll them out now. Roll it out. Yeah, it's like how that them have a name. Yeah. Please, so them have the food at the bottom of them. The best food them put in the corner. Come. Alright then, see them there? See that barrel book? Put them pampers there and them thing in the barrel there. Draw that barrel closer. No, see them there, them towels stay right there. Because we're going to start out them there. Come. Just put them here right there so we can put the food in the corner. Yes, put them there back in the barrel. Esther, go and cut them food over the can there. Yeah. Yes, that's cool. Boom, pat them good now. Fix them good, man. Fix them good. So beans on top of beans and then something there. Don't mix them. Pack pants, on top of pants. And then, when the shoes them start coming, I need more space, you know. So. Put the pants in over here. So. Yeah, put one side and t-shirt one side.
with that bar. Move that bar. Give them that story.
Some more pants. You better shoes are yours, you know. That one there. Next, put supposed to be the next bar. No, next one. This? No. This? Yeah. No, man, one next one. No, not that. Yeah, that yeah. Next, put the next bar down. Then the track suit them, look. Just fold them there, put them there one away. The track suit them. Them at the top. The track suit them. So you see the pants for that there.
Woman Jackson. Woman Jackson from Kevlar.
Yeah. Well, it's Sophie and Woman Jackson is from Kev Lifestyle. So let's rest it there, so. Let's rest it right. No. Let's rest it there, so.
You say put the tracks to them one thing, right?
Yeah.
Boom, put the tracks to them one thing.
That's how boom. Blazer them there. No, man, you have to put them separate too. Yeah. That's like our name. Let's make them stay right there, so then the name one name stay.
My eyes on you. I'm not here. Let's fight and feed them here.
So Jella, you have to wait till baby I come. Well, long time come on the road, baby. You want lunch come on the road? Eh? That one walk, I want them to stand for the corner.
Alright, yeah, Adventist, alright.
You're far from room. Coming play to set up.
Come baby, right tonight. You know your belly full. Let's put the tracks with them, the peer, the spear.
Like, I'm not saying yes, Buy one now?
Them are the food, them, right? Deal with already, man. Jella, take out the slippers and go and go help pair them shoes.
The rest of them not come out yet.
Yeah, but they might come out, so just set them out till when them come out. Just set them out. Yeah, man, let's put them one side. Let's put them one side. I have my organic coconut oil in there as well. Well organic. If I follow my conscience.
I want to cry.
Virgin, once in a store in a virgin. Once in a store, virgin. Okay, I really joking, yeah, what? Yeah, joking, what?
Ah, go this way, go this way. Are you good? Yo, madam.
When's the Esther?
Really. So Light Parks is not here, and Barney is not here, right? So, make us sound the big cannon.
Sound the big things, them.
We said Dream Team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
Come on, that's not good. Dream Team.
One team.
One team.
Dream team.
Clean team.
One team.
And it's the only real team. Alright then, so first and foremost, we have to give thanks to our extended family. Before we call the names, then we also want to give them a round of applause for everything that right here, so right now. And as I say, it's a huge blessing. And we have some names to give shout out to, because our extended family. We have to also thank first and foremost our love. I feel like we should have on the t-shirt them first. So we're gonna start off with our love, because our love sends some t-shirt for the team. It's not the first and it's not the last. And this is the bag here. Yeah, with some t-shirts. So maybe we can organize the t-shirts and give them t-shirts. So them can put on them t-shirts. So Barney is not here and Light Parks is not here. So large.
Who's extra large? Large black. Large again black.
Come on, large black. Now come on, move nippy, move speedy now.
2X.
2X, Jella, 2X. What I want tracksuit top. I have one little Dan.
look again.
Don't Esther turn around. Turn around.
Man, get the whole thing. Genius.
Yeah. Hey, Orius, we could get one, you know what? We'll get Orius one t-shirt. We'll just get, yeah, Orius always give you a strength, so we're gonna give Orius a t-shirt. You know? Yeah. Orius, them big, you know? The large. It's an extra large.
Look at the large.
Taylor, they bought the place, you know.
Move it. Move it.
Stadia, we are going.
Extra large. No, the white one I'm off of Badge and Barney and Lady. So that's the rest of them big.
You
see the picnic. Purple I see it extra large. Hey, that's all the yellow. Like the sun. Let's put it on. Guys, like the sun. Yeah, nothing wrong. Hey guys, so you know, Orius him always been around sometime. You know, just give him a t-shirt, you know, for the sake of spreading the love. Because it all started for all love. So you can turn back and show them all the love them now. You know? You know, says all love in the back and all love in the front. Yeah. Alright. So you know we have to give thanks to our love, you know, for this t-shirt. We'll give all of a round of applause, please. You know? Yeah. It's not the first and it won't be the last. You know, we have a t-shirt put on for Baja, Light Parks and also Barney. Right, so we have some names to give thanks for, you know, for helping to contribute towards the barrel, help us with the barrel. So first, as I say, we have to thank Our Love and Nikki Touch of Beauty. Yeah. Our Love and Nikki Touch of Beauty. And we have to also we have to give thanks to Corey Eats and his wife, you know, and his daughter, young Corey, as well. And we have to also give thanks to also Angela, as well to our extended family, Angela. Yeah. And also we have to give thanks to Sandra, as well to Sandra. Come on, man. Yeah, I saw them for son. Yeah. I also have Wayne as well too. Wayne. I have to big up the restaurant, Cooler Runnings, you know, Cooler Runnings, big up Cooler Runnings as usual, you know, Cooler Runnings, yeah. I have to big up Nurse Jackie, yeah, night nurse. So I must say if that's all the names. So we have to also so Nikki Touch of Beauty friend also she did donate $50 to help out to the barrel as well too. So she knows herself Nikki friend, you know, from the ear shop. Yeah. Yes, Nikki friend. I know. We have to give a huge applause to our Sunrise team. You know, Sunrise team. A sunrise team, come on, man. Sunrise team, you know. Sunrise. Yeah. And also, you know, for the Kiwanis that help us clear the barrel, you know, I use thanks to the Kiwanis as well too. The Kiwanis. And this one now is for all extended families. All extended families. Every single one. Alright, so I'm saying we have to give thanks, you know, I want to thank each and every one that played a part, you know, to helping out the dream team, you know, thanking you so much for these blessings, you know what I'm saying. The food stuff, you know, what them say is for the team members then, because you know these brides are especially for the members them to get something, you know, and then whatever left we can give to share, you know, within the community, because we always have to give. Not everything for ourselves, but always have to give back the same way, you know. So we're gonna make sure say everyone get a pair of shoes, you know, get some food, we have rice and stuff, but we can also give out. Yes, you know, and share amongst each other and also help out in the community also. You know, so first, the perfect, you see that shoes there? From Kev Lifestyle. You know, Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Good Lord bless you. Guide and protect you and your family. One team. Bless you.
Alright, so we have some stuff here for the Cranberry families as well too, you know, from also Angela, you know, and Nurse Jackie. So we have some stuff here for them, you know, and we have these colorful shoes here. So you don't want to wear.
Colors.
It's for colors, right? So we send call him to come here, you know, and these, you know, we're gonna make sure so everyone get a pair of shoes. So so first, so we have all a bag here as well too. Take out a bag there for me, there, boom. Reach a bag there. A bag that have name on it from Kev Lifestyle, for also Boom and Rasta Jackson. You know, so for the Rasta them, you know. So you know, so now for us boss it, you know, on the size them in there already. So from Kev Lifestyle.
Kev Lifestyle, blessing and one love. You know, me a Rasta Jackson, you know, blessing, one love.
For the Rasta them.
Yeah, Rastafari guide and protect every time. And one dream team, and one unity, and extended family. All of it, love, you know.
Yeah.
Let me say, come on, love, you know.
Alright. So what's gonna happen now with the members? Then they're gonna try a pair of shoes, you know, and then watch fit to know and say, yo, I saw the thing set. You understand? So we have the thing now, so we have to get bags so we can share the food stuff them over there as well too. So boom. Try that one there, boom. Yeah. Well, try that red one there, boom. Like one try so we know so once it fit. Come like him have a fall into.
Yeah, eat this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
In a tight.
Right size.
Right size.
Remember Charlie like this from Ireland said for me I'm left it down.
Yeah.
Don't you my fall. This replace it.
Alright. So wow chef.
Thank.
Extended family.
Extended family. Blessed and one.
So we say the red one for wow chef. So wow chef, what go on now? Wow chef, what go on now? Your size? Come here, wow chef, come here. I know you fold your toe, you know, because you always do. Come here, wow. Come here, wow. Walking out, see where you take it off. Oh, you're walking out, man. Well, I know. Wow chef, put it on, man. Hey, wow chef, brother.
Nice size, you know.
Yeah. So what I go on here say now?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, genius, man.
Yes, sir. You?
The insole, man, good, no feel it. You see it?
Okay.
You want to say 9 on my right side, man, so my foot hard, you know.
Yeah.
43, man.
43.
Yeah.
Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this, yeah, man.
You know who this?
Yeah, man.
You know who that?
Italian.
Jimmy Choo.
Yeah, man, from Italy, man.
Jimmy Choo, baby. Go and try a baby. Let's go try a size. Tarpy, how you choose? Here, Max. Yeah. Are your size? Get that Jackson. Yes, man, you say you that?
Yeah, birthday setting.
Jeez, them dead out here for the birthday. Them dead out. Tarpy, where say you?
Respect him. No, we love it, you know your side, you know to pick the right side, right?
Right style, right?
If I look for the sea,
Yeah.
yeah, man.
Tarpy, where say you?
Extended family, cheese, you love every time, extended family, you know, we have to love every time.
Yes, are you that? Alright. Baby, where you go? Let me see no one.
Nice and what? Girl?
Baja 9 and Light Parks at 10. Light Parks at 10 and Baja 9. You have to look. I tell you, and months. That's it. Fit you. Alright. Jella, where's it? Jella, fit you?
Yeah, but we don't have wear shoes, so I love wear shoes with socks.
It's close. How size is it? 9. A 9 looks so small.
Because a woman 9.
A woman 9, man, that's why.
A woman 9.
Baby, the one that hold you?
Yeah.
Hey, baby, baby. The blue one there, what size is that one? Looking at that. 9. Look on that.
Remember Monday?
Smaller one.
This can't fit bad.
No. You, no, that one. You find a tendency for the prefect? What size I want the prefect? This? Yeah.
Like a 9.
Let me see.
Leave it. Sure. Come here. Put it back. Put it back in the ear. Black.
Oh, sorry.
Can't get your bone thing. How's that bone? Large.
Mr. Say, size 8 US, UK 12, Canada extra large.
Extra large. Oh, extra large. Jackson, are your size that? Jackson,
Yeah, man, I want to get large. This matter about.
Yeah. Yes, you're not go pink.
Man, genius, man.
You know what this thing is? 17 years.
Let me see. Yeah.
Put on my pink pants and my gentleman, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, blue gentleman, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, real man. Love it, you know?
Yeah.
I'm looking short pants and my gentleman, you see it? Alright, Jimmy, find the short pants and my pink.
Jella. Give me a shirt. Oh. Jella, what size? Oh, Jella like tracksuit, right? So we'll get to the tracksuit.
Large.
T-shirt large. Baby, Jella wants to sit down there.
Large.
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 It's for the orange one. The orange. Hey, come, Kylo.
Tracksuit.
Them are from the R.
From the Arlov. These are from Arlov.
Give Bobby this. Arlo, right?
Yeah. What's at the bottom?
Extra large.
Jella, what size are we in that tracksuit?
Extra large.
No, look put one of the suit one them here.
We're now wearing a tight. We're not shoot a physique. We're not what happened.
Boom. Let me deal with them now.
Well, it's a famous rapper. This and this with it, right?
What size is that? What, chef? What's it?
What you say?
The jeans them there, so take out them top. See empty barrel them there. But chunks pass the empty barrel there. And put back some things in there. Now come remember say we're gonna give out to some of the elders them as well. You know, like all Patrick and them man there. Yeah, so most of these are go to the elders and things. That's a wormy. See that? Boom. This will go for wormy for sure.
Chicken foot. Ackee and saltfish.
This is a wormy style.
Sprat.
Wormy this, you know.
Side, yeah.
Wormy in the kitchen, cooking chicken, make it work. Ah, God. Jage pants.
Size 8.
Woman's that?
Woman pants.
The pampas never in there. You get it? Alright.
Chicken foot and bread.
Put this in a stuff here, wormy. And a blue bag there. I love. I wish baby that can fit. The suit is. We'll find somebody. You have somebody who
sister.
Your sister? Let me see, hold on. Can't feed your sister, right?
Vendetta.
Vendetta. Oh yeah.
No, she take it.
Oh chef, come here. Oh, what's your fine?
What's up?
$5.
US! Yo!
Sit there.
Yo, sit there.
Boy, you're lucky. Oh chef.
She want more than a shot, yeah, man, I'm going to frame that shot.
Put them there, just in case.
No, frame that shot, Piero.
We have to get the ball first.
You ought to feel the pocket, them. You ought to feel the pocket, them.
Where's the budget? Where's the jackpot?
$5. Go, chef. Sure, no? Yeah, man. Holy for blessings, man. Yeah, man. Holy for blessings, man. I swear, go, man. President Lincoln. Yeah. Boy, Ben Lincoln. Be Ben Lincoln, boy. See that? Go on, Lincoln, I'm already. You ought to search the pocket, them.
Kalisa birthday. Yeah, 3rd of March. 3rd of March. 3rd of March. Christian. No, I'm not going to give you. I'm going to put it on.
Yeah, we got Bob Marley. Yeah. Alright.
Make sure I watch my Jordan. Because if I wear the 27th of August. August, April.
Stand for the white.
You're good, that church, you know, and them church good.
Yeah, man. Get on. What's that one now? Get there. What's that one now?
You want this church?
Yeah, man. That's church, Tinashenko. Yeah, man. That's 36. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, for the brother.
Yeah, for the brother.
Boy, reaching $5.
Yeah, rich.
Give me.
Hey, relax.
My woman changed this, man. She doesn't speak to me. Woman changed, man.
The girl. The small baby clothes.
Yeah, look at some small baby clothes then there. Come here. For that baby there you want the clothes for? For that baby there? Some small one. Cause the baby I grow anyway. Look for some small baby clothes right there, so. Cause you're growing, yeah. Well, chef, when you get a bag on, Esther can pack on some stuff as well. Prefect. One bag no such can. Jesus Christ, we look at you. Eh? Yeah.
Chips, is something else.
Man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because they're growing even. You get one bag for you.
I don't have any bag.
You know, something. The girl something.
Oh shit. Should I get a bag?
Hallelujah.
What bag supposed to be right there, so?
Get a bag. You want to see your brother too?
Hey, one bag there right there, so one paper bag.
Paper bag.
One paper bag there right on the ground there, so.
Match him shoes.
Where there? One paper bag there right on the ground. Oh, whoa, chef. Come here.
Come here, whoa, chef.
It's a for your mother. Come here. From our love. No, hold on. This is from our love.
From our love?
Yes, it's a wow, chef.
Whoa.
You're a tracksuit, that, you know.
Yeah, my tracksuit this?
Yeah.
Got to look up from the airport road around, you know.
And this wow, chef, mother.
Yeah, man.
Where is it at, though?
Set up on the airport road with a truck, you know. You see me I say? Roll up and down, you know. You see me I say? Yeah, man. See there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Holy for blessed enough love, you know. See there? I'm going to stop. I'm going to done pack yet, so.
Yeah.
You see him?
This is for your mom,
This is
for
for
your
mom.
mother. I think it's from Nurse Jackie.
Nurse Jackie.
Yeah, no, I think it's not.
Enough love and respect, you know. Mama, alright, now get a pack of the pampers now and just bring, you know. See me I say, Nurse Jackie, all for blessing, enough love, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I think
Thank
it's
you very
her.
much, you know.
And this is from Our Love.
Our love.
Tracksuit out.
Don't see it already all over the general, you know. It's a 40, you know. Don't say 49 already, you know.
And this we have one as well too, from Our Love.
Our love, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Pure our love, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because you don't love me, deal a 2 heart, me have, you know. Yeah, man. It's a 40, you know. That's a 49, you know.
Yes. Oh, see the bag here. Put them fair, then. But the baby will grow now.
You take up where you really want, yeah? Take up where you really want. Take up nothing where you don't want. Yeah, mother.
This is for sleeping.
The more guns, yeah,
These are the same colors, right? How about the twin them there? Come here, twin. Let me see. Try.
The bigger the missile.
Pass it.
Me tall enough.
Big, small. Too big.
Oh, the brand. You can't them be growing at this. I'm growing at it. The brand. We sell a brand at Tunakina.
Yeah.
A brand in a t-shirt.
Oh.
You know that brand?
Yeah. I know. My white t-shirt then.
Yeah. Sell a brand in a t-shirt.
Kylo.
Shirt.
Stop.
Oh, okay, alright, I'm glad. I want to know.
Try that on. Put it on.
Alright.
Save it fit you. Fit you? Are you that?
Yeah. Try on this, man.
Yeah, me tell him stop run, go. Tell him stop run, go.
Look one.
Let me see. Can fit you?
Yeah.
Well, what? No more dog. In money.
That fit you? Okay. Alright, take it out and bring it here. Go and put it down. Go and put it inside. Go and put it inside. Go and put it down, yeah? Go on. I got two big film.
Roman. Roman, pushing it. Your mom pushing it.
Too big. Yeah. Take it out. Huh?
What about this?
Eh? Let me see. What size are we? You know your size? Huh? Mutino. You have volleyball shoes?
Yes, up the road.
Too big. Too
The
big.
ones you almost came out.
Too big.
I worry. Give me it.
Yeah? No, it's too big. What you gonna do? What you gonna say you gonna do? Oh. Try this.
Yeah, that's this fit here?
Yeah, it fits in. That will fit in.
Yeah, man. Fire that.
Alright, take that off. Take it off. Alright. Yeah, where we shoot aside there. But Chips, keep him over there, sir. Can you man get on my nerve now? Let me see. Let me see that white Adidas there. Right there, sir. That's 7.5. 8.5. Let's find 7.5. Yo. Yeah, man, I hear drinks that, man. I hear drinks that, whoa. Baby.
Come bring him connect Corey. Yeah, about Corey. Did you fit him?
Let me see him. Try it on it. And I say if it's on the back, put it at the front. Put it at the front. Yeah, that will fit him. Shoes them up archer to try and light part to the association, right?
Yeah, man. No, sign. No, we don't take out.
That's how I make them stay. That's how I say make them stay. One and way, you know. No man, but all of them, it no matter. They tell them say them out of bound. If I tell them say they're out of bound, I'm out of bound.
We cook at them till they come. Reach a barrel. Cook at it. Yeah. Give me. It's like a somebody.
Yeah, this come here, Cranny boy.
It's an empty one, I tell you.
It's 2 shots, yeah. So give them parents one more. Parents now go watch them all.
Esther. This could have fit Boomer though. I'm there, but I know him size. Go through the scene, sir. Go through that. No white one.
No, no, really, no, man, glass. Can't see clear, you know. Can't see clear, you know. The rain is falling. You know. Clearly. The glass, you know, man. You know the eye problem. You have the eye problem. I know the eye problem, glass. No, man, glass.
I know my glass.
Call somebody up for your yard and ask them for
Everyone say now, yeah, when you mix up this, everyone, go on, move.
Perfect. Take up them Oreo biscuit there, give me. Yeah, give me them. Kids get them.
Yes, it's my niece said my jacket for airplane. I got find me. My niece said my jacket for airplane.
Here, take one of these. Take one of these.
You got child. Princess.
Here, take one. Take one. Take one. Here, take one. Let's feed them one. They can have one, please. It is. You can't say thanks. Hey. Esther, show us up. Pass another pack of Oreo. Oh, give me. Bring them back home. Hold them.
You know.
Come with it.
You know, this is boy shoe.
Come for this. And Chips, you must teach him to speak proper manners. You get ready. There we go. Una get one. Get biscuit? You get biscuit already? Okay. Nicky and Dada. Dada. Come Dada. The two feet in the hey, come here.
All right.
Who baby have?
Yeah, no, baby, they have a son and little girl.
Don't go to the store, little girl. Yeah.
The pepper and for that
Pepper. Boots. Wait, though. Wait, the crowd running at the bar?
Yeah. Like it gets crazy. But they are running. Nicky bar, don't say they did a show them. Like they must be carrying a Nicky bar. So I'm on,
Driving down? Run. Pass somebody will drive. I like him run. I like him run. Oh, I catch him. A police officer.
Tell the oats. Flour. Flour, yeah? Hey, no back off. Oh, just a rich man. Yeah. Burn it down. The shoes there, the barrel, I forgot to take them out. Perfect. Where the shoes barrel?
I'm not about to unpacking them now.
The rat man there. Yeah.
That's why I say we have to leave the shoes them out. Yeah? Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. As I say, dealing with these barrels out here, it was something else, so, we get most things out the way, I just want to thank all our extended family, I just want to thank you guys so much, for your blessings, thank you so much for every life. you know, it's really a blessing. So, you know, the members them, each and every one got something, you know, who wasn't here, we put down theirs as well too, you know, and we're gonna make sure who's in the community also get something as well, because we always do so. You know, maybe you're not seeing it now happening, because when people come around we try to give something, but always make sure we prepare stuff, you know, for who is not here and they know what kind of give the elders them or whosoever should get something, you know. So the food stuff them that we did pack, you know, like we pack them so we help out with the members them, so for they to get some food stuff, you know. So yeah, you know, so that's where everything lies right now, you know. So we'll give thanks. I will thank each and every one for reaching out, you know. So it's been a blessing. It's been a long day, you know, going through this stuff, you know. So the next day, you know, we're gonna try and give out who we're meant to get, you know, in our own community, because we always do so. Because you might not see it sometime on the video, but it does happen when I'm not here and they come around here. You know, Prefect or Esther will assist them with whatever is in the storeroom, you know, and we always have to do so to help out each other, you know. So that is the thing right now. So guys, so we thank you so much, you know, for the blessings and everything. To all our excellent family, each and every one that helped, you know, reaching out, thank you so much. God bless you all. Thank you for the blessing. Yeah, to call the names them back over again, trust me, it's a lot of names. Also to all our excellent family, everyone that reach out, we thank you so much. Blessed Lord, dream team, my team. Thank you.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.